Broader digital and microeconomy. What is gold tokenization? Imagine owning physical gold without needing to store it at home or transport it. Gold tokenization is the process of converting ownership of physical gold into digital tokens recorded on a blockchain. The gold is stored in secure vaults, audited and verified by specialized custodians. Digital tokens are then issued representing that gold, enabling global transfer, 24-hour trading, use in DeFi applications, and in some cases, physical gold redemption. In most systems, one token represents approximately 1 troy ounce of gold. But each ecosystem has different structures, audit mechanisms, and utility models. Pax Gold is one of the most recognized tokenized gold assets on the market. Each token represents 1 troy ounce of gold, certified by the London Bullion Market Association, stored in professional vaults in London. A key feature is that each token is linked to specific gold bars, allowing holders to verify serial numbers and individual allocation. The project is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services and conducts periodic audits. Its core proposition is bringing physical gold into the blockchain environment. Tether Gold, or XAUT, follows a similar model. Each token represents 1 troy ounce of physical gold stored in allocated reserves. Holders can verify information related to the gold bars backing the asset. XAUT's primary focus is wealth preservation and protection against the devaluation of fiat currencies. Its broad liquidity also makes it a popular option for gaining digital exposure to gold. XAUM represents an interesting evolution of the tokenized gold concept. Beyond certified physical gold reserves, the project seeks to integrate the precious metal into the world of decentralized finance and real-world assets. In this model, gold ceases to be merely a stored asset and becomes integrated into collateralization mechanisms and broader financial structures. The proposition is to transform gold into a productive asset. AUGR proposes a different vision from traditional tokenization. While models like PAX-G, XAUT, and XAUM focus primarily on the digital representation of existing physical gold, AUGR seeks to develop a utility-based economy. Its proposition combines community participation, redemption mechanisms, payments infrastructure, microfinance, and digital ownership. The central concept is transforming gold into an active element of a broader digital economy. Proof of participation. One of the concepts presented by the AUGR ecosystem is proof of participation. In this model, participants contribute to ecosystem growth through engagement, network expansion, and adoption of developed utilities. The proposition is that economic growth is driven not only by capital, but also by the active participation of users. Proof of metamorphosis. Another important concept is the so-called proof of metamorphosis. The idea is to represent the progressive transformation of digital value into assets with the possibility of physical redemption. In this model, digital assets evolve through mechanisms developed by the ecosystem until reaching forms of ownership linked to gold. Ecosystem comparison. Although all projects are related to tokenized gold, each follows a distinct approach. Pax Gold emphasizes regulated physical gold. XAUT prioritizes wealth preservation and liquidity. AUGR, on the other hand, seeks to build an economy based on participation, utility, and redemption mechanisms. XAUM seeks to integrate gold into the DeFi and RWA universe.
AUGR, the milligram gold economy. AUGR introduces a fundamentally different perspective on gold tokenization. Focusing solely on tokenized ownership of existing gold, is designed around the concept of a milligram gold economy, where participation within an ecosystem can ultimately lead toward physical gold redemption. Users are not merely purchasing exposure to gold. They may participate in an economic network that connects digital participation, community growth, value generation, gold accumulation, and physical gold ownership. The framework is simple. Participation leads to value creation, AUGR accumulation, which leads to physical gold redemption. The key difference is simple: ownership versus participation. Although PAX-G, XaumT, and Zaum are powerful tools for digital gold ownership, their core model is straightforward. Buy a token, hold a digital representation of physical gold, benefit from price appreciation, and redeem or verify reserves. Gold ownership is the primary function. Utility within a broader economic ecosystem is often secondary. AUGR asks a fundamentally different question. Not, how can physical gold be represented digitally, but rather, how can digital participation eventually become physical gold ownership? This distinction positions AUGR not merely as a tokenized gold product, but as a developing milligram gold economy. The milligram philosophy. AUGR's concept emphasizes that physical gold ownership does not necessarily begin with purchasing an entire ounce or gram of gold. Instead, value can be accumulated progressively in milligram-sized economic units, allowing participants to move toward gold ownership over time. This approach seeks to make gold acquisition more accessible by lowering entry barriers and connecting everyday participation with long-term asset accumulation. Ecosystem vision, the central question. PAX-G, XaumT, and Zaum ask, how can physical gold be represented digitally? AUGR asks, how can digital participation eventually become physical gold ownership? This distinction positions AUGRs not merely as a tokenized gold product, but as a developing milligram gold economy, where utility, participation, redemption, and ownership are interconnected within a broader digital asset ecosystem. Welcome to the Gold Economy AUGR